Hey there, this is Tess. In this video, we'll go over 5 software tools that I use on a weekly basis, whether it's to just organize my thoughts or just make me more efficient in my day-to-day work. Let's go through the list, and if you find this content interesting, make sure to leave a like or a comment below. Let's dive in. Notion is a note-taking app that allows people to use it for a range of activities, both professionally and personally. In a professional context, you might use Notion to write meeting notes or follow up on open tasks. I have a couple of Notion pages, one for every major activity and also a personal one. My personal account is structured so that I have my days of the week first when opening the app on my phone, and I can write to-dos for every day. I usually think about what I want to achieve that week on a Sunday evening and cross out these things as the week progresses and the tasks are hopefully completed. On the right side, there's a couple of pages per topic. I love to make long-term goals, so that's where I put those. Notion is also a really handy tool to keep track of things. In my personal workspace, this might be the books that I've read from a certain author, or in my professional workspace, to keep track of the open tasks that we might otherwise forget about. If you're just getting started with Notion, you can take a look at the templates that are available online. Second on our list is Loom. Loom has been great in communicating in a more efficient way by using video messages. If I want to quickly explain something, but I don't want to really set up a dedicated Teams meeting, I'll just send out a video message using Loom. They have some cool features which makes it very fun to upload videos. In fact, the beginning of this video was recorded using Loom. I have a link in the description if you want to know more about their services. Third one on our list, we are flying here, is called Figma. It's a tool that allows you to design your web application or anything related to website, your mobile app. So basically a graphic design tool. Figma is different from other graphics editing tools mainly because it works directly on your browser. This means that you get to access your projects and start designing from any computer or platform without having to buy multiple licenses or install software. Another reason why designers love Figma is that it offers a generous free plan where you can create rather and store 3 active projects at a time. Fourth one on our list is Zapier. Zapier has been great in automating a number of tasks, both professionally and personally. In my business, I use Zapier as the intermediary between my web application and a Google Sheets file. Users input data on a web app, and Zapier uses webhooks to catch that data and put it in the right column in my Google Sheets file. If you're new to Zapier, I would recommend you check out the page that lists the popular ways to use Zapier. Connectors include Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Slack, Gmail, and Trello. For example, when we look at the Gmail connector, we can see some common scenarios in which you could use Zapier. For example, sending an email when a new lead comes in, or saving new Gmail attachments automatically to your Google Drive. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative to Zapier, you can always check out Integrate Me. The last one on our list already is Plausible Analytics. Plausible Analytics is a tool that lets you monitor website traffic. It works in pretty much the same way as Google Analytics, but it focuses on the elements that are most essential for everyone building out a website or web application. For some people, Google Analytics might be a bit hard to figure out given that it provides so much information, so that's where Plausible comes into play. Another difference is that the code snippet rather that you put on your website is actually much smaller compared to Google Analytics. And the larger the snippet size, the more likely that it might impact performance. Its dashboard is very intuitive and provides you with all the information you need to get started. The downside of Plausible is that it's only free for 30 days. They don't sell any of the data that they gather to other parties, so that's why they ask for a fee after the trial period. And the pricing, well, that depends on the monthly page views, and it starts at around $6 per month. So that's it for our list of 5 software tools that I use on a weekly basis. I hope you found this useful, and don't hesitate to leave your favorite tool in the comments below. Before we go, I want to leave some tools that seem really cool, but I haven't had the chance to really use them. First is a Twitter Grow tool called Blackmagic. It lets you add cool elements to your Twitter banner, such as the latest followers of your page. Staying in the Twitter space is another tool called Tweet Hunter, which lets you grow your Twitter audience by providing you with predefined tweets by category that you can use as is, modify, or even schedule to post another time. So be sure to check these tools out and let me know what you think in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.